The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has called for mandatory lifestyle audits and asset declarations for all judges in South Africa, citing concerns over perceived lavish lifestyles that appear inconsistent with the state-funded salaries. At a media briefing on Wednesday, Umkhonto weSizwe Party spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela questioned how some members of the judiciary can afford luxury homes, expensive vehicles, and international travel while drawing salaries from the public purse. According to Ndlela, greater transparency is crucial to upholding the independence and integrity of the judiciary. He said the Umkhonto weSizwe Party calls for the immediate implementation of lifestyle audits and the declaration of assets for all members of the judiciary, from the Constitutional Court down to magistrates. These audits must be conducted independently, thoroughly and regularly. The party argues that the transparency would reinforce public confidence in judicial rulings by ensuring they are free from political or financial influence. Ndlela emphasized that judges, like other public officials, should be held accountable to the people they serve, and said judges are not infallible. They are human, subject to error, influence, and bias, whether conscious or unconscious. The myth of judicial immunity from human frailty must be challenged if we are to build a judiciary beyond reproach. While acknowledging the importance of judicial independence, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party insists that accountability must be applied across all branches of government, and said that this is not an attack on the judiciary. It is a defense of democracy and a call for equal transparency. Trust in our courts depends on openness, not secrecy. The party has pledged to pursue sweeping judicial reforms, including changes to the constitution should it come into power. Political analysts, however, have raised questions about the motivations behind the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's demands. Professor Theo Nidling of University of the Free State told the Citizen News that the party's criticisms of the judiciary cannot be separated from its leadership's legal entanglements, and said former President Jacob Zuma, who leads the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, has been embroiled in numerous legal battles, including corruption charges and his 2021 imprisonment for defying a constitutional court order. He also pointed out to other high-profile MK figures with contentious histories in legal realm. Dr. John Hlophe, the first judge in democratic South Africa to be impeached, now holds a leadership position in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The party even attempted to nominate him to the Judicial Service Commission, though the move was challenged by the Democratic Alliance. Another key figure is Advocate Dali Mpofu, is currently facing disciplinary proceedings before the Legal Practice Council for alleged professional misconduct, and said these individuals' ongoing battles with the judicial appear to be influencing the party's confrontational stance. While the Umkhonto weSizwe Party frames its call as a principled stand for transparency, critics argue it reflects a broader strategy to discredit a legal system that has challenged its leaders. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.